I received this torque wrench as a gift. Let's open it and show you what it looks like. It comes with this real nice storage container. So you get certification. And a wrench itself. So it goes from 0 to 80 foot-pounds. You undo the bottom to adjust it. So you can adjust it going in and out. On the other side, you get Newton meters if you wanna use that. Feels very nice. Goes very heavy. So it uses 3/8 drive. Try on this bolt. I got it set to 20 foot-pounds. Make sure you tighten the nut when you adjust it. Yep. Let's go a little more. Let's go to like 23. Looks like it's working very nice. Really like it. Really nice wrench. Feels really good construction. I'm definitely gonna use this on a car. And when you put this thing away, make sure you store it at the lowest setting. So go all the way down to 0 pounds.